What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on Opendoor Technologies. First of all, let me give you a brief summary about this company. Opendoor Technologies operates as an online platform for buying, selling and trading in residential properties. This company helps to sell and buy property without middlemen, and it is totally online company. So here is some facts about this company according to their investment pitch deck. The largest undisrupted market in the US is real estate market. As you can see here, used cars is around 841 billion a year. Food is around 1 trillion a year. Real estate is around 1.6 trillion a year. As you can see here, their first 6 markets reached $2.7 billion run rate revenue in Q1 2020. As you can see here, today they are in 21 markets and just scratching the surface. And total rate revenue is about $5 billion with a market share of 2%. Their current playbook takes them to 50 billion in revenue with a market share of 4% and 100 markets. But the total US market potential of $1.3 trillion. As you can see here, with the 14% of retail market, Amazon has a market capitalization of around $1.5 trillion. Uber, with the 4% of transportation market, has $80 billion of capitalization. Carvana, with 1% of used auto sales, has $35 billion of market cap. And Opendoor, with the less than 1% of the real estate market, for now has a capitalization of $14.48 billion. So they have, in my opinion, they have huge upside potential. And as you can see here is the top 10 owners of Opendoor Technologies among the institutional investors. And as you can see here, they all buying all over the list. They are all buying now their shares. And across the mutual funds, you can see ARK Next Generation, Baron Global, T. Rowe Price Small Cap Value Fund, Baron, ARK FinTech Innovation. They are all buying stocks of Opendoor company. And here is the chart, but before we dive deep into technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss next video. So here is the chart, and we have several waves, and according to Elliott wave theory, here is my breakdown for this first wave. In my opinion, this is only the beginning of their journey, and it is basically diagonal. We are on the first wave, and we have something like this in a greater scale. So here is our second wave. Maybe we can have one more leg to the downside, but nevertheless, here is the level. I put it somewhere here. Third one, then fourth one, and the fifth one will be around, I don't know where, but let me project one step at a time. So I don't need this Elliott wave breakdown, and let me show you retracement of the entire wave. So we've hit exactly to the tick 0.5 level. So it is a 50% discount to buy this share around $21.59. And for now we are hovering in the middle of 0.236 level and 0.382 level. So let me show you one more thing. Here is the triangle, as you can see, and its apex is right around this date. It is a earnings report, and it should take place on March the 4th. So in my opinion, it will be the date of the breakdown of this pattern, and on top of that I can even make this trend line longer. And as you can see here, we are strictly moving up along this line. So it is a huge bullish pattern in my opinion. And let me show you one more thing. I don't need these two lines, I don't need this one for now, and I don't need even this one. Oh, sorry, I don't need this one. Here is the pitchfork, and I took the lowest point at the beginning of the pitchfork. Second one is the top of this wave, third one is the bottom. So I took three major pivots, and the main rule of pitchfork is that as long as this pivot holds, we have an 80% probability that we hit median line. And we've hit it to the tick. As you can see, we barely tick it. So in my opinion, it is very technical, and we can have an investment with this company because it is a long-term company and I believe in this company. But before you will invest, I suggest you to make your own due diligence. So, and for now, let me give you some expectations for the price. So, here's our main count. And I took the length of the first wave and projected to the bottom of the second one. Here we can do something like this. And the most probable zone of landing the third wave is around 1.618 region and even 2.618 region. Let me show you. So we can have something like this, or even something like this. This setup gives us an opportunity to have more than, wait a second, more than 129% for the first target and even 217% for the second target. And let me give you some information how to take this trade. So let me show you again these two trend lines, and basically you can ladder your buys along this Fibonacci levels. Here is your first entry point right around this zone, because we are hovering right under 0.236 level. Next point will be at the 0.382 level, and you may have even stop loss, but I don't suggest you to put stop loss here at the previous pivot at the 0.5 level, because we can have one more leg down, but it will give you more attractive opportunity to invest in this company. You will have a greater discount to be an investor with the Opendoor Technologies. So here is your third one, and targets will be determined later, and I will just show you this level, and first target will be around this zone, wait a second, around 57.71, and the second one will be around $80. Here's my prediction, and I think we will hit this target by the end of this year. And with that being said, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. See you next time, guys. Bye.